All right, boys and girls, do you notice that I have the fraction 5/4? This is an improper fraction. Sometimes we can write it like this, 5/4. Now, what that means is I'm going to try to do this on this number line right here, okay? So I'm going to show you how I would start right here. This would be my 0, okay? And then I'm going to put a 1. And I'm going to put a 2, okay, because that's the spaces that I have. All right, now notice because my denominator is a 4, that means that I need to divide my parts into 4 parts. So in between my 0 and my 1, I need to have 4 parts. So 1, this is 1 part, 2, this is 2 parts, 3, this is 3 parts, and this is 4 parts. That means that this one right here is 1 out of the 4 parts. This is 2 out of the 4 parts. This is 3 out of the 4 parts. And this is 4 out of the 4 parts, and that's 1 whole. All right, so notice that I need to do 5 parts. So just like we did before in the other video where we were looking for another shape, we can go ahead, since we have 1, we can actually go ahead and divide this next one into 4 parts as well. So this is 1 part, this is 2 parts, this is 3 parts, and then here's my 4th part. So right here, actually, you can name this 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, and this would be 8/4. Okay, so if I'm looking for 5/4, then it would land right there on that line. Okay, here's my line. So I would be right here at 5/4. Now another way to say that would be 1 whole. Here's my 1 whole, and then I did 1 more of the parts. So we could have 1 whole and 1/4. I'm going to try to show this to you another way. So I'm going to clear all the drawings, and I'm actually going to bring up a fraction bar, and I'm going to divide it into 4 parts. I'm going to start it at 0, and we're going to take a look at that. Okay, if I'm looking right down here, you can see if I wanted to do 5/4, I could see here's my 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This would be 4/4 at my 1 whole. This is 4/4. And then 1 and 1/4 would make 5/4. All right, so 1 whole and 1/4 equals 5/4 right